How to change your email address on Shein app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your email address on Shein application or on Shein. Well, let me guide you through. Simply open up your Shein application here and you should get an interface like this. Now make sure you're logged into your account. At the bottom of your screen you can see 5 different options, that is shop, category, new, cart and me option. You want to simply tap on the me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do so, what you want to do is at the top right corner again you can see the microphone icon, the speaker icon there, and you can see the headset icon and the QR code icon and the gear icon or the settings icon. You want to simply tap on the settings icon there, and once you tap on it here you can see the address book option and you can see manage my account option. Now here, if you tap on manage my account option here, you'll be able to see your email, phone number, change password, delete account and download your information option. Simply tap on email option right here, and first you'll have to verify your account, or you can see the change option as well. You want to simply tap on change option here. Now once you tap on change, you'll be prompted to the change page where it'll ask you to enter in your verification code. First simply enter in your verification code that will get in your older or present email, and once you type in your verification code, type in your new email, and then again it will prompt you for new email verification, and again type in that email and you'll be good to go. So this way you can change your email on Shein app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.